This is Gordon. Now I'm fixing my cooler that I use for a live well when I go fishing. Problem with the cooler is these hinges. I've had this happen on a lot of coolers. These plastic hinges just break off. I'm just going to take them off and use them for washers. I cut off a piece of ratchet strap, anything that's the right size. This is a 2-inch. It'll work good. I got a package here of assorted stainless steel screws, and ones I'm using are just a little bit longer than the ones I'm taking out. Also, I cut the strap full length. In case it needs more screws, I can just put some in with regular washers instead of these old hinges. Just put them in anywhere along in between there if it needs any more later on. Now I don't have to worry about the top blowing off when it's sitting in the back of the boat. Thank you for watching.